Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super practical topic: how to change your PIN for your Capital One debit card in 2025. Whether you're updating for security reasons or just forgot your old one, this quick guide will walk you through it step by step. It's easy, secure, and can be done in just a few minutes, so let's get started. First things first, the most convenient way is through the Capital One mobile app. Make sure you have the latest version installed on your phone. Open the app and log in with your username and password. Once you're in, navigate to the Accounts section and select your debit card. Look for the Settings or Security option. It's usually right there. Tap on it and you'll see an option to change your PIN. Enter your current PIN for verification, then choose a new 4-digit PIN. Double-check it to avoid mistakes and confirm the change. Boom! You're done. If you prefer not to use the app, you can do this at an ATM. Find a Capital One ATM near you, insert your card, and enter your current PIN. From the main menu, look for Change PIN or something similar. Follow the on-screen prompts to select and confirm your new PIN. Remember, ATMs might charge a fee if it's not a Capital One machine, so stick to their network if possible. For added security, if you're having trouble or want to verify something, contact Capital One customer service. Call the number on the back of your card, and they can guide you through the process or reset it for you. Always choose a PIN that's not obvious, like your birth date, and keep it private to protect your account. There you have it. Changing your PIN is straightforward and keeps your finances safe. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more banking tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.